I just love them because they're actually passionate about what they do, and you can tell from the page. For them, it's not all about just selling products. For them, it's ensuring that their customers, get the best. African woman, first time I saw you, I told myself. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Emma and you're very welcome. We would love for you to join our little growing family by hitting the subscribe button below and the notification bell right next to it so you don't miss out on weekly content. In today's video, I share where you guys can get products from. So vendors on social media, basically vendors on Instagram, and some stores you can walk into and get hair products from here in Nigeria. Shout out to my baby girl Aisha, who actually inspired me to film this video. She was like, Emma, I think you should let us know where we can get products from, and I figured that was such a good idea. Vendors or the stores I'll be telling you guys about would be limited to Abuja and Lagos because these are the two cities here in Nigeria that I have lived in during my natural hair journey. So I can't really give you guys vendors in other states that I have personally not shopped from. I cannot vouch for someone that I haven't experienced. But I would like for you guys to please oblige me, okay? Let's make this video fun, engaging, and interactive. I really want to know where my viewers are viewing from, and I would also want us to help each other find vendors closer to where we are. So in the comment section, let us know where you are, and also mention a couple of vendors that you get, vendors or stores that you get your products from. It doesn't matter if any of the vendors you have in mind are vendors that I have already mentioned. If anything, it would actually reinforce the authenticity of these vendors, because I know that a lot of people are very skeptical about getting products from vendors on social media, on the social media platforms, simply because they're not sure if it's a real zone or a scam zone. So even if I've mentioned these vendors and you've actually bought products from them, please just mention them. I'm actually really impressed as how these foreign brands have infiltrated the Nigerian market. 2015, 2016, I would always get products from outside the country, but now you can literally just search on Instagram, just search on Google for some of the stores, and you would have most of the foreign brands here. I am not being paid to list these guys out, to mention any of these people here. I do not get commission if you guys buy from them. This is me just being real with you guys and giving you guys where you can get products from. I'm currently in Lagos, but I will start with Abuja because I lived in Abuja for the most part of my natural hair journey before moving to Lagos. So the first store that I used to get products from was Next Cash and Carry. It is on Ahmadu Bello Way around the Jahi area. It is such a popular store and the prices were great at that time. I don't know what the prices are like, but I'm sure even considering the exchange rate, it would still be reasonable. The second store that I got products from was Casabella, and they are in most of the ShopRite malls, or I think that's what they're called, ShopRite malls. So I know I've seen them in I've gotten products from their branch in the Silverbird Galleria, and I know I've seen them in the Apo Mall as well. And even at that time, they did stock quite a number of brands. It was quite impressive then. I remember they had Shea Moisture, they had As I Am, those products then that were very popular, like foreign products that were very popular and you could hardly find here. They had all of them, and their prices as well were relatively affordable. The third store that I got products from was Perfect Trust. It is also in Silverbird Galleria, and that one, guys, when you're going into Perfect Trust, you need to be very strong-minded because it is such a massive store with a lot of products, and if you're a product junkie like me, I don't know, just break your card before walking in there, because guys, I walked in there and I was like a child in a candy store. I was so excited to see most of the brands there. They just had so many products in there. I'm sure you can find them on Instagram or on Google. The fourth store that I got products from was Ebeano. Ebeano came to Abuja around maybe late 2017, early 2018, I'm not sure, but I went into Ebeano and got certain products from them as well, and it's just amazing, guys. It was just amazing to see these products when you walk into a store. So these were the 4 stores that I got natural hair products from. With vendors, I have just one vendor in Abuja, Asta's Hair Care. I'll put her Instagram page somewhere in this clip, and guys, I will just list out everything in the description box, so if you miss out anything, just check the description box and you would see all of this information. So Asta's Hair Care, she's expanded recently and she does have quite, you know, a variety of brands in there, so you can reach out to her. Also, if you're in the northern part of Nigeria, I feel like it might make sense to get products from her because shipping rates might be cheaper than getting products from vendors in the south or eastern parts of Nigeria. If you're in Abuja, you can check out Esther's Hair Care. So that's it for Abuja. Let's move to Lagos. With Lagos, I actually have more vendors than stores, simply because when I moved to this town and actually experienced the traffic, Lord, I'm like, I'm not going anywhere. Everybody is going to bring stuff to me. I would start with the vendors. The first vendor that I got products from was Perfect Stopover. I still get products from her. She's just so real. She's so funny. She's so dramatic. And guys, Perfect Stopover is the perfect name for this brand. It's perfect. There's just everything. Like, guys, I'm not even over exaggerating. Like, she actually stocks pretty much all of the brands that you could think of. She's expanded. She has a website as well where you can order from, so you don't even really need to order from their Instagram page. She's also passionate about natural hair and she shares her journey as well. She shares tips. She stocks everything, guys. It's the perfect stopover. Okay, go check her out. The second vendor I got products from, or I still get products from, is Chechi Hair Care. Chechi Hair Care is such a sweetheart. Like, the first time I met her, when I had to pick up some products from her, guys, like, she just has this calm thing going on, and I'm like, you're so peaceful. With Chechi, she doesn't stock a lot. I'll be very honest with you guys. She doesn't have as many brands, so you won't find variety if you're looking at Chechi's page. However, her prices are absolutely amazing. She's also really passionate about natural hair and she shares hair tips, hair inspirations. The fourth vendor that I got product from is Sweet Natural Hair Care. She does have a couple of brands as well, and her prices are relatively affordable as well. She also has a website, so you can order from the website if you don't want to stress about talking or waiting for someone to respond to you. For these vendors, guys, I just love them because they're actually passionate about what they do, and you can tell from the page. For them, it's not all about just selling products. For them, it's ensuring that their customers, get the best. In Lagos, the only store I've gotten products from is Ebeano, because obviously I knew Ebeano was a Lagos-based business when it came to Abuja. And so when I moved to Lagos, it was my first go-to. I got everything from Ebeano. And their prices are actually relatively affordable. They have stores in Lekki Phase 1, Chevron, and Oniru. I don't know if they have any on the mainland, but these are 3 stores that I know of. So guys, I think this is it for where you can get products from here in Nigeria, or where I have gotten products from that you can get products from. All of these vendors ship across Nigeria, and Perfect Stopover actually ships. Perfect Stopover and Sweet Natural Hair Care, I am certain they do ship outside Nigeria as well. I am happy that I actually got to film this video. It was quite interesting just listing out all these vendors. As I said earlier, let's make this video a fun one, and let's make this video a point of reference. Let's help ourselves in the natural hair community. Wherever you are, please state your location in the comment section and the vendor you get your hair products from, so we can help the businesses grow, and we can also help ourselves find products that are at closer proximity to us. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I would see you in the next one.